Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to write super fast. As always, standard script first. The pronunciation of this Chinese character could be in different situations. For example, as interjection of surprise. What a surprise! Let's write in cursive first. You can write a number 1, following number 2, and number 3, 1. One, two, three, 1. See? What a surprise! Ah, 太惊喜了！惊喜了！太惊喜了！What a surprise! As an interjection, express doubt or recalling answer. For example, I've never heard of this. I've never heard of this. I've never heard of this. 我没听说呢。听说呢。我没听说呢。What a surprise! 太惊喜了！太惊喜了！I've never heard of this. 我没听说呢。Okay, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.